Wearing short clothes around boys who are not the girl's relatives should be banned.
Boys make mistakes, and that does not mean that you hang them.
Rape is primarily a side effect of westernization and hence more common in urban areas. Villages that embody the national spirit do not have a rape culture.
Women stop being too adventurous.
Instead of resisting rape, the girl should simply invoke God and religion and refer to the molester as her brother.
Girl students should be made to wear overcoats to prevent men from lusting after them.
The hormonal imbalance caused by eating fast food contributes to rape.
Lowering the marriageable age for girls will prevent the rise of rapes in Haryana.
Wearing short clothes does not instigate anything. If that is what it takes for you to get instigated, people have to be worried about you than us being worried about anything else.
Of course, just because they have that one organ that they can use against a woman whenever they feel like.
Now this is weird. This is total bullshit.
How ridiculous. You just ridicule the religion like how?
This is like utter bullshit. He must be really drunk, I don't know.
This man should be shot to death before actually stoning a rapist to death, according to me.
Okay, how much do you need to lower it to? Cases of rape of 3-year-olds, 5-year-olds, 10-year-olds. So how low should it be?
Of course, his balls should be chopped by the victim.
Just take that rapist, put him away from the society, just cut him off from the entire world.
Hang him, burn him to death. I don't care.
Hit them where it hurts the most. Castrating is the only option that I can see.
I think a rapist should just be dragged in the public and women should strip him naked and stone him to death.
Forget about raping. They should be castrated, that's it.
I would just go for capital punishment, kill the person, that's it.
Probably neuter them and then give them libido reducing drugs for the rest of their life.